Good day everyone, I'm Mark from Go eVehicle, your electric vehicle channel. I'm very excited to introduce to you the Bestune NAT. This is the next revolutionary electric car. Let's go! FYI ka-EV, this car is awarded the best riding-hailing car in China. Very elegant yung kanyang design na may konting angas because of the black ventilation dyan sa ilalim ng kanyang mga headlight. At the hood, they have Bestune logo and light design dyan sa kanyang bumper and also the air vent for aerodynamics dito sa baba. Maganda rin yung pagkakadesign ng kanyang headlight and also they have a DRL LED lights dyan sa gilid. And of course, it's already LED na rin yung kanyang mga signal light. Meron din siyang signal light dito sa kanyang side mirror. And as you can see, naka-carbon design na rin ito. Sa right side ng EV na ito ay naka-automatic sliding door na rin ito na pwede mo siyang i-open and close doon sa driver side. Okay, meron siyang function doon para i-open at isara. At the back, as you can see, they have a unique identity itong EV na ito. They have curve dyan sa kanyang side. Makikita nyo naman kanyang mga LED taillight. Napakaliwanag. At the top, makikita mo yung high-mounted third brake light. Makikita mo rin dito yung kanyang Bestune emblem logo. At this side, nandito yung kanyang Bestune emblem. And by the way, this is the Pro variant of Bestune NAT. Naka one-tone silver alloy na rin ang kanyang mags na may size na 17 at ang size ng kanyang gulong is 215 by 55.
Kung interesado ka sa mga electric vehicle na katulad nito, please subscribe sa ating channel. Scroll mo na rin ang ating video section, baka dyan mo na makita ang bagay na EV na para sa iyo. Please pakilike na rin ang video na iyong pinapanood bilang suporta at tulong para sa pag-build up po ng ating channel. Okay ka-EV, nandito tayo sa loob ng sasakyan with Sir Mike. Ayan, si Sir Mike ng EV Supreme. Siya ang magdi-discuss ng mga special features, specification, pagdating sa motors and battery. Alam na alam yan ni Sir Mike.
And thank you again so much,
Yes,
Sir
sir.
Marco, for inviting us to present one of our featured products, yung Bestune NAT. Very excited with the Bestune NAT because this is what we consider as the next revolutionary car. So bakit ko nasabi yun? So because it combines all the features na typically hinahanap ng mga drivers with plus. So ano ba yun? So it combines premium, it combines practicality,
Yes.
it has a space. When it comes to comfort, it offers a lot of comfortable features. Tech, hindi rin siya nagpapahuli.
Yes.
The best of all is it's fully electric. No? So wala ka masyadong iintindihin when it comes to maintenance. Nakakatulong ka pa sa environment at nakakatipid ka for your daily commute. So yun yung maganda sa kanya. So I'll start with the main features, no. So since this is an electric car, no. So this is packed with a 55 kilowatt hour battery, which can go up to 400 kilometers. And then ang peak power naman niya is up to 120 kilowatt. Ang motor niya is gawa ng Huawei.
Oh, yun.
So alam naman natin paggawa ng Huawei, meron ng credibility yan o reputation sa paggawa ng mga smart devices niya. So may quality yan. The battery is done naman by BYD. No? So it's packed with the BYD lithium iron phosphate battery.
Yeah.
And then ang charging time natin dito, it combines a DC charging, fast charging, and it also has an AC slow charging. So yung DC fast charging niya is 30 minutes to 40 minutes for 80%. And then, ang slow charging naman niya is 8 to 10 hours.
So, how about the safety features ng EV na ito, Sir Mike?
Yan. So when it comes naman to safety, hindi rin siya nagpapakulit. Yes, wala siya ng mga ADAS, but everything else, meron siya. Traction control, gel hold control, auto hold, TPMS or tire pressure monitoring, electronic parking brake, the brake system for the tires, both naka-disc brakes na yan. The seats have ISOFIX tethers. Tapos, it also has an airbag both sa front at sa passengers. So kompleto na siya.
Pagdating naman, sir, sa mga special features na meron itong EV na ito.
Special features, marami. So, one thing I can say, meron siyang air purifier sa loob ng kotse. Meron din siya, yung seats niya for the driver is ventilated, no?
Yun.
So, maganda yun for long driving.
Hindi na mag-iinit yung puwet.
Hindi mag-iinit yung puwet natin. Tapos, meron din siya lumbar support, no? So, para hindi tayo nangangalay, meron din siyang armrest. Which is yung maganda for the drivers. While for the passengers naman, meron din siyang armrest sa likod.
Oo.
Yan, na may USB, no? So, hindi nga lang natutupin ng 50-50 yung likod. Pero meron naman siya ng armrest. So it's really very practical for the passengers. Meron din siyang cruise control. Plus yung mga power windows nga pala niya, lahat one-touch power windows siya, no, for the driver side. Yung pag-open din niya ng door sa likod, and meron pa rin controls dito.
Dito na, no?
So kaya mo siyang buksan at isara dito.
Okay.
Yung sliding door niya sa likod. Tapos, lahat ng visor niya, mayroong vanity mirror,
dito
which is good. Meron din siya, yung rear view mirror din niya is day and night na. So, pagka nasilawan tayo sa gabi, hindi tayo masisilaw.
Oo nga, no?
Yes. Na-adjust din yung side mirrors. Tsaka marami siyang toys dito sa loob. So wala siyang compartment dito sa harap, pero meron siyang parang cabinet dito. Ang dami niyang hook na pwede tayong pagsabitan. Itong passenger seat, actually, kaya siyang kontrolin dito sa likod. Nung nakaupo dito sa likod. So pwede siyang i-move paharap, tsaka palikod. Pwede rin siyang itupi ng full flat para kung gusto mag-relax yung nasa likod, so makakapag-relax siya ng maayos, may stretch yung paa niya na maayos. So why is that? No, because the Bestune NAP, I'll be saying this here, the Bestune NAP is the #1 ride-hailing car in China. So in partnership yan with the mobile apps doon sa China. So it was really meant for the convenience of both the driver and the passenger.
Yun nga, sir, no? Pwedeng maging taxi natin siya rito dahil when it comes in efficiency, 'di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan maggasolina. So plug na lang sa ating mga outlet natin. So napakamura at mas malaki ang mate-take home ng mga taxi driver kung ito yung gagamitin nila.
Yes, actually tama ka dyan, Boss Marco. So that's why we are really advocating or promoting this revolutionary car, this NAP. Siyempre, if you want to go into the ride-hailing business, this is the most practical solution that you have. So, because you don't really have to spend much for gas, you don't really have to spend much for maintenance. No? If you're an operator, mas marami kayong take-home. No? So that's one. But it doesn't really limit you for ride-hailing purposes. Ang dami niyang use because of the space. So if you have a family, it can conveniently seat a family of up to 5. Ang luwag niya sa likod.
Luwag.
Ang dami niyang malalagay na gamit sa trunk space niya. Yung trunk space niya is 450 liters, no? Hindi pa nakatupi yung second row na. So napakaluwag niya.
Yes,
for business, for utility, pwede rin siya gamitin. Ang dami nang mailalagay dito. So it's really the perfect utility car. Some of the other features naman ng kotse na to, it's a very functional infotainment system.
Yes.
So, meron siyang rear parking sensors, and meron siyang rear camera. So dito lalabas yun sa infotainment system niya. Meron siyang phone mirroring feature. So wala siyang Android Auto and iPhone CarPlay, but meron siyang phone mirroring. So kung nagma-maps tayo, medyo malaki yung screen natin dito sa harap. Marami siyang USB ports. Dito sa driver side, may dalawa dito. Meron siyang 12-volt socket dito sa harap. Meron din siya dito sa likod. Meron din siyang air vents, aircon vents dito sa likod for the passengers. No? Tapos yung sa armrest sa likod, may USB rin doon. So, hindi tayo nagkukulang when it comes to mga saksakan, charging ports. No? So, alam naman natin na napaka-importante yan. Minsan, ilan pa yung phone natin, minsan dalawa yung phone natin, minsan yung passenger may phone din gusto rin mag-charge na. So, hindi tayo kukulangin dyan. So, kompletong-kompleto. Even the cup holders are all over. No? So, meron tayo dito sa harap din, dalawa. Sa gitna, no? Sa gilid.
Sa gilid, maraming bottle holder.
Sa likod, meron din, marami rin. No? So, hindi tayo nagkukulang doon. So, very useful. Ang dami niyang choice.
Napakaganda rin ang kanyang plan.
Yes, napakaganda ng kanya. Ang dami, marami kang alam. Kasi marami siyang features, no? So, dito sa panel ko pa lang, sa dashboard. So, I can see the battery, how much battery I have left, no? I can see kung may bukas na pinto. I can see, may tire pressure monitoring siya. Tapos ano yung mga naka-activate na safety features, no? Yung odometer, kung anong mode ako ng driving, kung reverse or drive, yun, so kita siya dito. When it comes to driving mode, it has 3 modes, no? Yun yung Eco Plus, and the normal driving mode. So wala siyang sport. Because the normal driving mode, yun yung parang sports. When you step on the accelerator, immediate yung acceleration niya. So, sobrang bilis talaga. So, you will really feel the 160 horsepower that it has packed in its motor and the 260 Newton meters.
Yes.
So, actually, when I'm seated here, this is not an exaggeration. But when I'm seated here and driving this car, I feel like I'm in a popular European brand station wagon. Kasi ang haba ng kotse, and the seats are hugging me really well. No? Yung manibela niya is also wrapped in leather. No? So, tapos yung NVH level niya ang ganda. When you're driving it, sobrang komportable. I will mention the brand. So it feels like I'm in a Volkswagen Golf. Parang ganun yung feel niya.
Actually, mga ka-EV, na-try na natin ito sa NLEX. So, yung stability, the comfort, na kahit na malayo ang pinuntahan namin, pag kami namin na sa yun, kahit ma-traffic ka. So, na-feel ko na hindi rin ako nakagod nung ginamit ko ito, EV na ito.
This Bestune NET is currently priced at 1.288 million pesos. It's very practical, but we can still give discounts. So just go to our shop, visit our shop. If you want to have a test drive, schedule a test drive, then just message us via our Facebook page, and then visit our shop. So we will have you test drive Bestune NET. So it will really spell the difference if you test drive the unit. Doon yung makikita or doon yung makikil talaga kung gusto niya talaga yung unit.
Tama yung sinabi mo, sir. Mahalaga na ma-test drive itong unit kasi doon mo ma-feel na ito na ba yung bagay na EV na para sa'yo. Kaya ako pinapa-test drive kasi gusto ko ma-feel nyo yung na-feel din namin kapag nagda-drive din kami ng mga electric vehicles na katulad nitong Bestune na. Mga ka-EV natin dyan na hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe sa ating channel at syempre, scroll nyo na rin na ating video section. Baka doon nyo na makita yung bagay na EV na para sa iyo. And of course, I like nyo na rin at follow yung ating FB page. Nagpo-post din po tayo ng mga video doon. At syempre, bilang suporta at tulong nyo na rin sa ating channel, yung inyong pag-like doon.
Please also like na rin our Facebook page. Just go to EV Supreme. If you want to know more promos about our e-cars or e-bikes, especially this month or right now, we have an ongoing promo for the NEV. So if you want to know more about them or if you want to get updated, just like our page.
Yes. Oo. Ayan, Ivy, tara, let's go!